These are 17-minute start-to-finish coffee granola bars. They're super yummy and they'll help to fuel your next workout. Pop 160 grams of oats into a food processor and give them a pulse until they're nicely coarsened. Heat up a pan and toss in 100 grams of chopped almonds. Stir them occasionally until they become lightly browned. Then transfer them to a cool bowl and let them chill. Reduce the heat in the pan and add 170 grams of honey and 240 grams of peanut butter. Stir them until they become a warm and delicious combo, ready to coat your granola bars. Combine the pulsed oats, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 3 tablespoons of ground coffee with the cooled almonds. Pour that lovely honey and peanut butter mixture into the bowl and use a spatula to mix it all together until it's evenly combined with no dry ingredients left behind. Transfer the mixture to a tray. You can then pour over some melted dark chocolate for some extra sweetness. Cover and let it chill in the fridge for a few hours. Once cool, lift the bars from the pan and transfer them to a cutting board. Enjoy your working out and follow us for more coffee recipes.